Peppercontent.io text for marketing honest review watch before using creating consistent marketing content can be exhausting, and most people get this wrong. They either hire expensive writers or rely on generic templates. Peppercontent.io is a platform that connects brands with professional writers and content creators, streamlining production. The surprising truth is that it combines project management, content creation, and quality control in one platform. You won't believe how much easier marketing content becomes. Here's how it works. Brands submit content briefs specifying type, tone, target audience, and deadlines. Pepper Content assigns qualified writers who create blog posts, social media copy, newsletters, and more. Managers can review drafts, request edits, and approve content all within the platform. Another advantage is scalability. Most people assume hiring freelance writers is cumbersome, but Pepper Content allows brands to scale up or down as needed. For example, a company launching a new product can quickly produce a series of blog posts, social media updates, and email campaigns without hiring multiple freelancers separately. However, there are considerations. Quality depends on writer expertise, and turnaround times vary with workload. Most people assume it's fully automated. Human writers are central to the platform, not AI. In conclusion, Peppercontent.io is a valuable solution for businesses seeking professional, consistent marketing content with simplified management. It saves time, ensures quality, and supports scalable content production. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of marketing tools and platforms.